We all love baby Jake. He's so squidgy. And he never stops talking. And what's really special is I can tell you everything baby Jake is saying. Oh, yeah. Did you say it's time for an adventure, baby Jake? You did. It's time for an adventure, Goggy Gia. Magic fun with baby Jake. Goggy Gia. 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 Here we go, baby Jake. Yippee! Time for an adventure, Goggy Gia. Magic fun with baby Jake, Goggy Gia. If you want to have some fun, Goggy Gia. Come and play with Magic Baby, Goggy Gia. Hello. Hello, Jake. Alright. What are you up to? Stomp! Stomp! Stompity! Stomp! Nose. Yes, it's Nibbles the rabbit. Hello, Nibbles. Are you ready to stomp? Baby Jake, you're making stompy music with your feet. Baby Jake, go stomp, stomp, stomp. Baby Jake loves to stompity stomp. Baby Jake wants to sing with you. You know the words, you used to sing them too. Yaki Yaki Yogi, do-do-dee. Bo-bo-bo, wee-wee, boo-say. Yaki Yaki Yogi, moo-moo-moo. That's just what we love to do. Yaki Yaki Yogi with the hamster gnaw. Flappy clappy fun with Nibbles, of course. Swingle on Sydney on her vine. And Pengy Quiz slaps his feet in time. Yaki Yaki Yogi, let's do it again. Yaki Yaki Yogi, do-do-dee. Ba-ba-ba, bee-bee, Lucy. Yaki Yaki Yogi, moo-moo-moo. That's just what we love to do. Yaki Yaki Yogi, do-do-dee. Ba-ba-ba, bee-bee, Lucy. Yaki Yaki Yogi, moo-moo-moo. Hope you love to do it too. Bork, bork, bork. More stomping, baby Jake. Yeah, we're on. Yeah. Well, he's on. Let's go. All the way to the orchard. Boys. Let's do here. Stompy stomp! Fruit! Yummy! Bye-bye. Mama. You're the king of Stompy Stomp, baby Jake. Look at you! And look at Nibbles! Uh-oh! You're not going to, are you, baby Jake? You've stomped a lot of fruit down from the trees, which means you've got to stomp all the fruit back up again. Go, baby Jake! That is magic stomping, Jakey. Baby Jake goes stomp, stomp, stomp. Baby Jake loves to stompity stomp. Magic baby see, magic baby do. Magic baby waves goodbye. Easy Baby Jake and me. Baby Jake and you. We've had a magic time today. Easy do. That's squidgy giggly, cheeky squeegee, boingy bouncy, dimply wimply, cuddly wuggling, gurgling burpling. Magic baby Jake, that's who. Easy do. Yes. I Daisy do you too. That means I love you too, baby Jake. We all love baby Jake. Come on, it's time to go. 5, 6, 10.